Today, we're creating a new restaurant project using one of Content Island's templates. Click Add Project, name it, for example, Restaurant, pick a template, hit Next, and select the restaurant template. And complete. Once it's created, we'll copy our CLI command, then copy and paste it into the terminal. And in under 2 minutes, the project is ready locally. Here's the result, a fully functional Italian restaurant. We have the hero with the background image and reservation button, the Our Menu section with a link to download the PDF menu, a photo gallery of the venue and the dishes, the Locations section with an integrated map and operating hours, and finally, the Reservations section. That includes 2 buttons, one to call directly and another to send a message. No forms and no restrictions. All content, text, images, hours, phone numbers, is managed from Content Island without touching any code. But the most powerful part of this template is the theming system. In the Theme section of Content Island, you can see various predefined themes. And best of all, you can edit them or create your very own. If we look at a theme in detail, we find 5 customizable fields that define its visual identity. The theme name, we create a unique ID for each theme. It's important because it's used in the code to apply the page theme. Second is the primary color, the main color of the page. It appears on buttons, links, visual accents, and highlighted elements. As you can see, you define it in hexadecimal format. Then we have the secondary color, a supporting color used for secondary backgrounds, borders, and other decorative elements that complement the primary color. Next is the title font, the typography applied to all titles and headings on the page. Here, we can choose from different fonts to give the site some personality. Finally, we have the body font, the typography for the body text used in paragraphs, descriptions, and all readable content. Just like before, you can choose the one that best fits your concept. As you can see, we already have several predefined themes. Barbecue, blue, green, Japanese, Mexican, and pizzeria. So, the next thing we'll do is see them in action. Let's start with barbecue. Now it smells like embers, wood, and meat on the fire. It's the same site, the same code, but with a completely new identity. We switch to blue. Suddenly, you're at the port. There's salt spray in the air, nets hang from the docks, and fresh fish rules the menu. And as you can see, we've only changed 5 values. Now green. The noise disappears. The page breathes. It's the kind of place that makes you want to eat well, eat clean, eat mindfully. And as you can see, we've turned it into a vegetarian restaurant in seconds. Our next themed version is Japanese. That is, it's silence, precision, every element in its exact place. It's pure minimalism and conveys exactly what a Japanese restaurant needs to convey. Nothing here is left to chance. Next, we have the Mexican one. Here, the energy is different. It's color, it's a party, it's life. You walk into the place and you already know the food will have character without touching a single line of code. And we close with pizza. It's classic, recognizable, with tradition, a font that smells like a wood-fired oven, and a palette that takes you straight to Italy. It's the same old place with a completely new personality. 6 restaurants, 6 different identities, and all from Content Island by changing 5 values. That's the power of theming. If you want to explore any of these examples in detail, they're all available on our GitHub. You can clone the one you like best and open it locally to see exactly how they're set up. They're real projects, ready to use as a starting point. You can find the link to the repository in the comments. Give it a star if you find it useful, and if you have any questions, leave them for us right here